इलेक्शना टायमार कितें? You comfortable with BJP?
I have no issues as long as the people, my people, who are my karyakarta, who are my constituency people, they say, Michael, don't worry, you be where you are and we will get you elected. हे उतर आमकां आदीसून लोकांचो आशिर्वाद आहा आनी म्हाका दिसता आसतलो आनी फ्युचरानूय आसतलो. सी वी आर वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल. We are not here to do some
No, is a BJP
more
symbol
than
advantage in your constituency or a problem in your constituency?
See, from the time of liberation, BJP has never won in our constituency. We have seen BJP winning twice.
Yes.
That I have won twice on BJP ticket.
Yeah.
So third time also, if I have to win, and if people want me to win, I will win. Or people will send me home. It is not a something which is.
Or you can choose, or you can choose not to contest on a BJP ticket like last time. That is another option. त्या option तू convenient सांग ना म्हाका.
आम्ही
त्या option सोडून तू सगळे सांगतो म्हाका.
आम्ही डिसिजन घेऊन येल्ले आहा. See, it is like this. BJP is at the center. BJP last time जे आम्ही सगळे चिंताले कि BJP will not get 12 seats, but they got 20 seats. There was no alliance between all these parties, including Congress. जे हांव बसलेलो alliance जावंक ना. वोट 6 वाटेनी फुटले आनी BJPचो वोट शेअर जो 33% हा, 32% तो इंटॅक्ट उरलो. तांकां 20 seats येयले with a margin of very small, 900, 600, 300.